Hey everyone! Do you ever feel like your tasks are scattered everywhere, sticky notes, random apps, and that one reminder you forgot to set? What if I told you there's a simple, free app that can bring all your to-dos together in one place? Meet Microsoft To Do. In this video, I'll show you how this app can help you stay organized, set reminders, and actually get things done. Let's get started. Microsoft To Do is a clean, intuitive app designed to help you manage your tasks effortlessly. Whether you're planning your day, tracking work projects, or just remembering to buy groceries, this app has you covered. Adding a task is as simple as tapping the Add a Task button and typing it in. You can set a due date, add a reminder, or even break it down into smaller steps with subtasks. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. One of the best features of Microsoft To Do is lists. You can create separate lists for different areas of your life, like work, home, or groceries, and keep everything organized. Having separate lists makes it easy to focus on one thing at a time. Plus, you can color code them to make your tasks visually appealing. Never forget an important task again. Microsoft To Do lets you set reminders for specific dates and times. You'll get a notification right when you need it. Whether it's a meeting, a birthday, or just watering the plants, reminders ensure you stay on top of everything. My favorite feature is the My Day list. Every morning, you can add tasks you want to focus on for the day. It's a great way to prioritize and stay motivated. Checking off tasks feels so satisfying, and the My Day list helps you start each day with a clear plan. Microsoft To Do syncs seamlessly across all your devices: phone, laptop, tablet, you name it. So whether you're at your desk or on the go, your tasks are always with you. Plus, it integrates with other Microsoft tools like Outlook, so your emails and tasks can work together seamlessly. Here's why Microsoft To Do is a must-have app. It's simple, clean, and easy to use. You can organize tasks into customizable lists. Reminders ensure you never miss a deadline. The My Day feature helps you focus on daily priorities. It syncs across all your devices and integrates with Microsoft tools. Microsoft To Do has made managing my tasks so much easier, and I know it can do the same for you. So, what are you waiting for? Download Microsoft To Do and start organizing your life today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more productivity tips, and let me know in the comments how Microsoft To Do works for you. See you next time.